Замно жити типу чимбо поза джавартан цим цуркыци яны янтыртан байтан. Окканченго штиу тамбана бишкыци яны янтыртан байтан. Очукяс нирамиркын ханзузу шозу тамнада ок дердикти нирамиркы сирде тепи онам yok.
All the Tibetans inside and outside Tibet, and to wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama a very long life, and all the sentient beings in Tibet and outside Tibet, and wishing that the whole Chogasum will unite together. October 21st, me and my sister Tenzin Droma, we carried two portraits, one of His Holiness Dalai Lama and one of Kidi Rinpoche, and then we were wearing black chubas, black Tibetan chubas, and we were walking from the Kidi Gomba to the place that's the police station that's near Kidi Gomba, and then we shouted His Holiness the Dalai Lama, long life His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and we want His Holiness the Dalai Lama to return to Tibet, and we need freedom in Tibet, and we did that for around 10 minutes.
Gerçekten çözümü mangura takan dırdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdıdı19 And then while we were shouting "Long live His Dalai Lama," and then our sound became louder and louder, and then suddenly we heard some sound from behind, and then there was people like trying to grab them, and then the grabbing happened for around 30 minutes, and then they were caught. And then a lot of armies came and they pushed us into the car, and then we were beaten and we couldn't move. 저녁에 제가 고치고 끝발로 저녁에 니와 하기 잡치리 치에 때문에 월고서 나라는 매력던 거였어. 끝발 그만이 치고 진짜가 촉발 위치면 촉발이었어. 진짜 시원한 지와였어. 끝발 그만이 치고 진짜 내 세트가 세세요. 진짜 촉발요. 위치면 촉발이죠. 제가 고치고 촉발 위치면 있었어. 뭐참 촉발이
You guys are doing very serious things. That's what they said. And do tell us, we are sure that there is some organization behind you. Is it, where did you get all the portraits from? Did you get all the portraits from outside? And are you a member from the Dalai company, the Dalai organization?
The Liechtenstein when you hand that 올라다 모수다 청하다 청하에서 참아야 다고 뭐니가 저거 들이 역사한다 나머지 계획하게 뒤정돼 냐떡 빠진 거 올라는 참아야지 영적도 알아지 하니
다리 채나리 징조 천이 쥐조건디지 원이 쥐조건디 올라다 오주 채가 거는 쳐서 손날이자 뭐제 옷 나리 따와다 올라지 거는 옷고와 젠담 총아 젠지들이 떡은 덕겐지 오게 자주 거는 지봐
And then they were wearing Tibetan clothes and having their tenga with them, their prayers with tenga with them. And then, although their clothes were taken off, and then after that, the police took them and separated them into two different places. And then the police asked them, "Why are you wearing these clothes? What does these clothes mean?" And then they said. So they're saying that it is their identity.
Tani tutsu zama mangur tara mangur ayatsa ka lakchak jamna tara go yitsa ka chaka nime ka ta chamba chaka go ke jundime ta rin ho kwam tara harsre ka nan khun abdi tara ta mani ka nyawa zongo yitsa ka kanir ka chew yitsa ka ta tina chakta.
And then not very long after they were put red ropes on their heads and then taken away from their place to another outside lava.
Tani chirku ta chu chambari yitsa ka chamba chandik sa khchak tara ti lakha khchak sa ti ta dos ta go nga chig mom chun nan de lo in da yam chen nam jin de sta tara ndirgin da ndirgin da ti tani thoi sha ta ji ta chu jam da tara yara mo su yara mo jam chig da ngoli no so me zong jam da cha ko cho chambari za.
So while she was sitting and having her handcuffed on, and the person came and seated very arrogantly and also kicked her and then started slapping her.
Tani atagan manna서 도졌다. 저딴 그때 그 세고는 공아. 찾으러 주 남자를 있고 지금 시각 샤워되네. 그거 머리에 남자 햄튼 스톤 거. 그 저딴 거 남자들 데미지는 옛날에는 저런 거 있을 거 럭시라고 데미지 옛날에서. 안 남자 데미지 인권이 나지. 그 공화진데 잠깐만 좀 어심 타지. 어심 타지. 잠깐만 알아 버리셨다.
And then the police officer asked her, "Why are you having that facial expression on your face?" And then she said that so she was acting. Her facial expression was like she didn't agree with that person, and then that person came and started slapping her again.
Tani 다시가 잠치게 그런 것도 제가 저기 진짜 그 지하로 붙이고 있고 그 버터 컨디션은 진짜 이쯤은 이게 그 지하로 붙이고 촉봐요. 이쯤은 이게 촉봐요. 촉소쇼스. 촉소서면 그 진짜 그 뭔가 링도 좋은데 지하로 붙이고 그 버터 좋은 데들이 지하로 붙이고 그 지하로 들어오셔도 근데 쭉 가고 쳐도 뭐야지. 가고 지하로 붙이고 그 지하로 들어오셔도 지하로 붙이면 여러 명 이렇게 오다 해가지고 그것도 좀 그런 거 붙이면 여러 명 이렇게 오다 해가지고 오다 라고
And after slapping, that person asked her, "Oh, you guys were having the portraits of His Holiness in your hands. Where did you get them? You must have an organization behind you. Then tell me who is the leader of the organization." And he also asked, "What do you guys want?" And then they answered that they want His Holiness the Dalai Lama to be back and the freedom in Tibet.
Tani ta chasuda da gomba chama de zhe hne de chama noxi ji da.
And then their clothes were stripped down.
Ani chama de ne da taxi ne da tani.
Then they started checking them.
Tani namo tu jezu ka da yin zhe da lama wajata lakchak jamda da ko zeng jogo na res.
And then around 10 p.m. they were handcuffed and then they told them they're gonna send them somewhere else.
Tene da nomum chana ti so di ta 내 살게서 곱졌던 거면서 건강한데 나 지금 고르드기 와. 더 지금 고르드가 나. 더가 듣고 거든다. 듣고는 말했어. 내가 쇼다 먹고 거든다. 좀 쇼다도 부세요 말. 나가 안 가인지. 너도 요 그러지. 되니 다 쇼다서 건다. 되니 시고 우승이 럭치가 요. 럭치가 나 할이야 그래서 근데 담보에 담보디 나가 시고 거슬거. 저거 나가 또 혼나지네. 버존 말이 좀 봐야지.
And then that night, and then she said that she doesn't want to go somewhere else, and then they are forcing them they are forcing to take them to somewhere else, and then she said, then I will cry. And then meanwhile, the handcuffs were very tight, and they made her it was hurting.
드니 다 너디 같이 두주야면 남 개념이서 그다 돈셨다. 더 춘도 아시고 사야지. 니 마시지. The Berkhamries, Marathonries.
And then around 6 in the morning, they started going, and then the person asked her, do you know where this place is? And then she said no, and then the person said, this is Markham.
Tani ta haratidi suko janaka jetare suko rinduko. Tago maji macha jam bochi hipke sanjiji margun jaga sanjiji marguchi da macha suko 제가 이거 제대로 이거 세게 때 있나 셔네 좋거지. 뭐자 제가 뭐지 heb게는 지지 말고 치다. 어떨지 그만 셔게 지금 말이지. 근데 춤 어떨지 그만 이시지. 뭐 어떨지 있지. 다그 내가 sembol로 손으로다. 춤 어떨지 그만 이시고 춤 어떨 거니를 좀 따라셔도 막. 다그 맞잖아. 뭐 어떨지 있지 봐. 야, 저기 주셨던 전 치유된 주성아. 똑같은 그 상기여 주더니 마로 시로 공부해 주다가 님아요 주는데. 진짜 나 손이 시도 없어.
And then at that place they saw a red flag that is Chinese red flag, and then she said that we have our own flag, and the Tibetan flag. And then the person was very surprised and asked her, how did you know about the Tibetan flag? And then she said that she just started describing the Tibetan flag. And then the person got very angry.
더군지 뭐차 오다 제랑 보치 힙게는 문직지 말고다 뭐차 오다 저거메고 제가 시집에 저거 사가때 딱힌데는 저거 제케에서는 드랍증내 초코지 뉴도 그죠 샘통은 것도 그죠.
And then the Tibetan flag, although we can use the Tibetan flag, we still wish His Holiness to be back. That's what she said. And then Xi Jinping goes to a lot of other countries, but Xi Jinping is allowed to go to a lot of countries and meet a lot of other people, but our Tibetan leader, His Holiness Dalai Lama, is not allowed to come back to Tibet. And then that person said, you are crazy. You're so young, why are you doing this? I want His Holiness' return, and I want freedom in Tibet. In 2008, a lot of people were arrested from Chokaso during the uprising. You were so young that time. How did you know that? Although I was a dropa, a nomad girl, at that time, my parents told me that by that time my parents told me a lot of Tibetans died, and then we were going to put candlelights for them. That's what her parents told her.
더군 거체 그 또 저비 호 분수군데 디면 롤리 메르 동전들이 뭐 디면 롤리 메르 동전들이 또 점점 쳐져가 되지네 뭐체 오다 러가면 그 제가 뭐치 오다 했게 하면 지금 쳇다가 롤리 메르 동전들이 야로에 비어 뭐체 제가 뭐 진짜가 지고
And then she said that there were a lot of people that self-immolated themselves, and then a lot of people dying for the cause of Tibet, and only for one reason, for the return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the freedom of Tibet.
나도 술렌지겠다. 님이 지자기 그 접속한 욕조에 있는데 yar로는 님이 롤리 메르 같던데 철저하게 제랑 뭐지 입게 막지가 요늘 있어. 춘님이 종아리 영어에 저가 손을자 소자님들이 가면 그렇게 버셔야 돼. 근데 마음이 있어. 마음이 있지만 이거 님 먹고 요새는 거야 나고.
Okay, and then they wanted an answer from her, and then he said that
고수있네 저거 다 이거 나가야 되지. 뭐 지금 고수가 날 쳐서서 잡다는 거 잡나요? 제가 뭐지 쉽게 먼저 주 저ችን 소인 지금 오다 저거면 주 소인 지금 지자기 롤리 메라부터 님이 야로 진행을 지금 대권을했어. 더게 지금 오다 저거 마운드했어. 주 님이 있는데 저쪽은 아닌 님이 욕대서가 송 속자들들이 지금 손에 주 꼬르지기나 막으니 뭐지? 막 님하고 잡는 꼬르지기 거고 오다라고 거거지.
Okay, and then they answered her question that the reason why His Holiness Dalai Lama is not returning to Tibet, and the reason why Tibet has no freedom is because of these people self-immolating themselves, and that is because of people like you causing Dalai Lama in the societies. And then she said that is not it. We want His Holiness back to Tibet, and we want freedom for Tibet.
근데 롤리 메르고 당주는 와던데 야동제 주나 저 니수에 때문에 에요잖아. 나였지. 뭐냐고 걔는 버츠고요지.
Do you have any relatives that have self-immolated themselves? She said yes. Her brother was actually one of the self-immolated Tibetan elder brother.
아니 또 주체적인 노래잖아. 고르 구형 때문에 그 버전인데 야로진 노래 있잖아. 그것도 거기는 거 좋아했지.
What happened to him? She said he was a monk from Gidigumba, and then he went to protest one day with the portrait of His Holiness Dalai Lama.
롤리메르 동나가 좋아요잖아.
And then he set himself on fire.
요즘은가 점수 요지. 점수서는데 맞으신 거래지. 고향 그것도 거기는 거 좋아해.
Another relative of her, another monk from Gidigumba, also self-immolated, and is also one of her relatives.
드니 다 시그 쪽 고수에 있는 강화 총총수 거는 독급 디네다다 백캠 거인스 백캠 쪽이 있어 그거는 그런 거 나와 디네데 할리가 있어 거다 강화 총총수 거 나와 디네데 다 시그 두추 녀거 잡셔서 그 년식 저게 있어 그 아니게 하면 제가 드니 친디나 집쇼는데 자마부가 처음으로 디 친디나 집쇼가 있대.
And then these people, they were all taken to Barkham. They were taken to Barkham, a small police station in a small house, and then they were tortured for 6 days. 6 days, 6 nights.
아니 리홍하고 떼송하다 지금 했고 리홍원이 저기 쳐져 等你这个함농선这个작은 작은 중에 이제 둘째 분이가 둘째 제일 어떤 점인데 아니 이거는 좀 못돼. 이 치료를 함농선 참 작은 작은 치료.
And their whole body was sweating, and then they were like very sticky in their shoes.
다 리홍 존나 그 물탱 거 쉬고 쪼고 더니 차와 아치고 거수 쪼고 쪼고지네 거수인 저거 난조 저거 영어야라면 팀이 염치 치에들어 나나들 제다 납직직치 하고 거수는 뚜쭈 되게 저거 뉴지나들 쪼고 더니 거수 존나 그 마에 저거 뚜쭈 보나라 물탱에 저거 거수 한 한나다 저거 끊지는 쪼고.
And that place was very hot, and then they were forced to labor, and then it was too hot that they sometimes had to take off their shoes. It was too hot for them, and then their shoes and feet got very sticky, so they had to take off their shoes while doing the labor in the police station.
더니 시가 리홍을 조이 멀땐 더니 고소인 제가 치어서 잤다지나 저 산디가 나와요. 제가 저 넘쳐요. 떨리는데 고소 잡고도.
And when they requested them to give water since they were too hot, but then they gave them hot water with some spices in it instead for them to wash themselves.
더니 침이나 니까문지가 그 침이나 tip쇼가 제랑 붙이고 속바요 속소에 다 소에 저거 년적 저게 저가 니까문지가 작을 온다는 데인데 그 소에 저거 다니 어서 니까마들이 띠득스매게 다 자동원에 장착 가르쳤네 형 뒤에서 뽑아다고 소 체크해 하시고 포다운 내고도 녀석도 옛날에 그 소에 저거 니까문지가 있었거든 대치디 시고서 언제 소디 칼리 조시가 냐게 친구래 다 러카요나 러카 카니 뭐 멋지게 말해 대디 고속도로 다가나다 지금 고속.
So the way that Chinese people were torturing them was different. If they were being beaten and everything, they can have more pride in themselves and think that they are fighting for something. But then instead, they were locked in a room with heaters on, and then they were tortured like this for 6 days. And then whilst you don't know where your friend is, there's a lot of dogs there, so it is a very big mentally torture.
다 손이 저거 끊고도 손이 저거 계좌에 저거 조시적 범실로 넣어 끊고도 손이 차차로 멀때게 다 끊고 얘는 들고 마음처럼 하고 더니 다 초티토가 많이 뉴스 더니 다 많이 알아내는 많이 뉴스 대만이야 냐디 리홍 같은 게 서서히 막이.
It was too hot, and she didn't know whether to put her feet up or feet down, and then they even asked them to sleep on that very floor, and then she couldn't.
더니 저거 자나가 저땅에 저거 자나 동노 딥쇼에는 처음에 뿌리 버셔셔리.
So a lot of the police officers, most of the police officers are male.
더니 자나가 고아지는데 다음 나샤는 저거 즈때 딱 놀을 처음에 얘기돼 처음에 더니 쿵마샤는 처음에 저거 들고 뛰는데 더니 다른 자동 농장 보이는데 이런 거 And
then an officer came and looked at her from up to down, and then said that she has to be tortured again more.
아니 년식 즉그러니 다 뒤쇼는데 되는데 다 어제 리션세 좀 저거 좌시 종에서 저거 딥 거냐 큰거 나이 다 얘라 뒤졌다 마디 공안 저거 영어 리홍 공부 참아 듣는데 영어 다 되고 되는데 특신 놓이네 다 고수도 지내다 더니 얘는 나와 되는데 우수 한땅 오서 한 하리 중고서 연나요 고수 좋은데 우수 인스게 함제가 님의 하려고 그 잡잡고 리그 님이지가 저건 그 알랑고 그 님이 잡잡서 주다.
And then after 6 days, they were taken to a place called Liechtenstein, another prison, and then they had a whole body checkup, and then before that she had a really warm shoes with her, but then they took it away and then gave her a very thin shoes that is barely giving her any warmth.
드니 너가 디 전나다 계속 정말 너한테 올라가서 정말 다 자주자 답주도 오죠. 드니 얘랑 너가 되는데 다 천百건주를 지금 강남에서 준다. 하려 녀마가 차 하려요고. 다도 공부는 너희 좀 맞았나? 대강 이제 오죠. 무슨 공부 리용이 이제 오죠. 서진 아수인나 나수인나다 밤에 영미스런 간다 하려가 지금 녹바도 손에 지금 쳐요. 깎는다고. 혼자 참고 줘.
And then they gave them prisoner clothes, and which was really bad quality, and it was like very hurting their skin very much.
저 권빙원 다 자역 그 리신 니즈 제유의 디미트 정도 하고서 리신 제유죠. 니즈 말은 리신 제유.
And then on that prisoner clothes wrote Liechtenstein prison.
드니 땅 강아서 그놈아 얘를 뒤졌대. 저стан게 저거디 거니kan 그만 지금 nhập 나와. 옛날에 나 요디 다 잠못이요. 잠못도 지금 다니마 찾은 거 말고다 오버다. 디디 나나 얘를 된다 도스케서라. 드니 또초 다든 직팀이 하면서 그 자마도 동다. 다 자마때 좀 하리에서 쪽에 찾내를 팀이서
So other prisoners are locked in a room with 12 prisoners each, but then she was locked alone. Before that, there was a Chinese female, but then after 2 days, she was also transferred, so she had to stay in a single block. And then they got food at around 6-7 o'clock, but then the food was really bad.
This zamat da nyeda mo jo jin chi jin
It's very smelly.
Tani tutu go timis ko tohata nyashna choko.
9 o'clock you are allowed to sleep.
Tani komba da da chake hali tsogari makatimi chamo shewole timisri.
Clothes were very bad.
hali zga tsu chakche yoko. Yenna ya nyejokje nyaga machego. Da nyash mara nyash di.
Although the clothes were very bad and the conditions were very bad, she couldn't sleep for 6 days before that, so that day she slept.
Nyashninda da kena kisa ka namso chezi karna mashta yara longze yoko. Alloz yoko. Lozunga ka da jerkyo ko jaglazri. Body to go. This is alloz yoga.
And then she don't know when, and then she was waking up, and then she heard this song about Chinese people singing, like praising their own country.
Tani yara longda da.
And then she woke up.
Yara longda da tani zuko da norga tongdai go tongdai chizo.
And then started cleaning up.
Tani nyama da chazung mago da di jamoto obota osodi.
So that day, the Chinese, her roommate was.
Ki roommate na morang go tanno ko chomjo go lo gender da mo chumtok jeta. Ngane zuk mo da ko korma xumri wa kosoina nyu zuko ngajik zo ya. Ngajik zo ko tani otta oson khuni ta ngada ngani zuko za den den zge ta tashi zo ni danare. 다 자측 나인 저거 냥떡 빠도 디능게 저거 다 모르는 저거 뭐한테 저거 모즈리 우미스리 디 pomote 저거 다 자측에 잡치되고 떡변되고 남치 좀 님이 총총스레 버거리 추치즈가 님이 지면서 저 하나다 냥떡 된다 싶고 메케스 자랑보치고 춘님이 스카퍼치는데 자랑보치 힙게 제고진다 So every
day they will tell her, Namji, you are so young, you should be living with your family and your parents. Why are you doing this?
you are shouting of the return and long life of His Holiness Dalai Lama, but he's not here to help you. Why are you doing this?
저 자랑보치게 있었고 동쪽 결매자가 좀 많이 와서 공매자 좀 많이 와서 다 처리 좀 이거매까지 저뭐 도쯤에까지 다좀 자랑보치 주님 그 person 저 진짜 보여 어떻게 그러나 좀 좋다는 거지.
His Holiness never even offered you one piece of cloth or anything. So why are you doing this? Are you happy right now?
근데 뭔데지? 제가 제건 님이 저거 맞아 오빠서 산는 담는 정말 다는 님이 있으면 옛날에 자랑보치 대주도 지자체 맞아서 롱메인 나가 비슷했는데 상만 통고요라. 자랑보치는 장고 롱네 제가 리스트만 잡다도 맞아기 저제고 그거 되게 지금 오늘 그거 상당히 친도요래.
And she answered that we know His Holiness Dalai Lama is viewing us from above and then he sees everything. So she knows that he's always there with her.
Then 다 똑바른데가 then 저거 영식이 저거 다 연탁바이 오는데라
And then they kept asking her.
연탁바이 오는데라 당아 아치 단저로 나가니 저거 냠터와 냠텐디 당아냐 조파요 뭐인데라 다가 뭐니 스케치하는 거 있잖아. 똑바른 저거 도움 좋은 거 스타일이요.
And then her sister and her were gathered together, united together.
돈송이 저거 남지 추천을 지금 나는 말하지.
And then one day they asked, "Are you sick, Namchila?"
나는 말을 맞아 엄마네.
I'm not sick.
집에 어쩔 거잖아.
Are you happy?
저기도 그래.
I said I'm okay.
조금만 찍어야지.
I have no regrets.
조금만 찍어야지.
No regrets.
근데 다른 저거 저거 뛰는 저거 저스톤게 저거 그냥 그만 저거 처음에 저거 할지로 지어요. 대가선다 다 니스가 미하면서 그다 나랑 용어 동안에 하고 자페인스 그 전적 자나다다 어지 저거 매양 저거 자주 저거 고소는 냠때 저거 내가 좀 말아 그러면서
And although the prison is full of Chinese people, there was one from Mianyang. A girl named Jabe was also. And there was another political prisoner from Mianyang, and then her uncle that also came to that prison.
Macam ada sera ket jamna jika menjika anyuko macam itu kau tu anak cak jam boyoka anyuko
if they try to talk to each other, they will come right away to like beat them up.
Tadi ni sesuatu dah lama ini sekolah kita tiket sudah sampai itu contoh lalap jamna itu harus ada kumba susu kumba itu dah sampai jadi kumbi no harus jago.
Unfortunately, one day all the prisoners were walking on the parade.
Ni nyong itu losong karsan itu kalau tutu ngewer zoni merah yang dah loh sendiri jatuh jadi. Jadi mana tinggal kan mana tong terus. Mana yang mati kan loh cik dah cingkuru. Kau contoh jadi dah. Aci, kosuina macam itu dah harus ada cingkuru tapi cepat jadi dah. Yang jongkon ayun hakun dah. Jadi cuma contoh cik jadi jadi. Kau loh sendiri jatuh jadi. Tadi mana sketch shot itu tahu gurujok nomor mana sketch shot itu siapa macam ni suka busuk ya nama juz. Ini mana ya nama di siapa siapa macam tu. Jadi kita semua itu kita rasa nama di ni dah ada yang ada sketch shot di mana jok mana jok. Ini yang ngam mana sketch tiga kerana jenis siapa macam ya nama juz sketch jauh ya nama di siapa.
So when there was like free time for them to go walking outside, there was one chance. Fortunately, she had the chance to meet her own brother, Losang Kasa, the brother Losang Kasa, and then they had a few 2 minutes to talk to each other, and then they were. He was actually sentenced to prison for 3 years and 6 months, and then while they were speaking, just for like two minutes, the police officers came and then beat them up and then separated them. So normally, usually people are allowed to meet at that time, but then only her and her brother were not allowed.
저거 justan 그 저거 뒤거냐 칸서 그 논디자란서 그 참 지크 요가다 수지 요가 디미즈가 땅모서 네게서 먹자 그 논디자를 딱.
So the food there is always a very thin rice soup.
먹지도 되고. 먹죠.
That is not helping with the hunger.
녀친 저거다 학교 치근래로 요가 때 저거다 저게서 요고. 뒤식을 쭉 엠바리 먹죠. 너무 보여가.
With very poor rice, more water, little rice, and then sometimes there's worms in it.
근데 년어선 그 저거 전화가 스타준 저거 하면 저거 할래 샤워리 근캐드네 다 똥캐드고 다 지너리 저땅긴 저거 다시 좀 티캅세 할래가 저거 산책 쳐보지 고가.
That place is very cold, and then at that time it was August, so it was like more cold in that region.
그거 식은 치근할 거 저거 어수인 저거 뒤 건강한 증거 찾아인 저거 어이 먹고야. 그것도 지금 다쳐서 건으로 르죠. 무슨디 너는 나이 먹고.
So it was numb. Her fingers were numb, and then when you touched the fingers, it was not feeling anything.
곰바나 영어 제가 요 말 마우디 곰바가 크성거 곰바 곤지가 팀이 아다 참배고 곰바가 팀이 치에도 됐다. 너는 무슨 얘기를 잡으면 된다. 막 샤워들이 못 줘야. 하리에 쳤고 시기 쳤고.
The personal clothes they have is very thin, and then it is also very loose, so they have to she has to grab it all the time, and then it is not helping a lot with the weather.
드니 다 아로스가 있냐 개첩셔서 메고 저거인 저거 다 두추 드니 적발 넘고고 고르케나 두추 다제그 팀에서 돈이 냐네 저거 디스 개첩셔서 메고 다또 선보 자마도 어용아 삼주마 더고요 날날날 저거 다 시고제 총총서고 디노니 야라 뜨잖아 더가 먹차게 야라 말은 존으로고 다더건 점막스라도 어디 어다지 자마자란 거가 남들랑 거가 삼주 찍찍아 가르치스 메거다.
You are up from 6 to 4, and then you can sleep from 9 o'clock, and you have nothing to do rather than just staring at the window, and then when someone passes by, you will know that, oh, maybe it's time for food.
드니 다들이 시고 같이 찍게 없었어 말 마우티 고수 있나라.
There's no one to talk to.
산로 있나 저거 고수 무게를 저거 다팀이 크랩 디는데 조빠지고 소인스고 조빠지고 고수 뜻이고 가.
Their aim was to make her suffer and then make her regret what she has done.
드니 다 같이 직접 없었어 마우들 소수 생고도 논고 만원나 다 샘통는 거지 년까지.
So if you have no one to talk to, there is also a high risk to be a little bit mental ill.
아니 다 팀에서 그때 말은 소팅하니 쳐서 있는 연진아 다 친구나 감동돈 아니 야라마라 니들이.
And then she did a lot of prayers.
디 비저렌차 들이나 디 그 친구나 저거 다 자 옷세조도 제마시 지나면 저 소수육 그 지워 담바동 다 추제지도 요라 다가 이제 그 친구나 몰람제 친구나 자로 뭐 소라다.
So she believed in Buddhism, and then during those times she constantly recited mantras and then did body prayers to the Lord, and then she did a lot of prayers for the Gyuthamba, the egg and the colorization beings, and then also to His Holiness Dalai Lama.
디노니 다 잡던지가 비장나다라 다양 녀치지가 조건을 다 자자디 저стан겐서 그 은행서 다 디노크샤나 처음에 그 제가 뭐니 고트이 때 주도 처음에 리스케리는 어디 데니 존테 뭐니가 전노에서 그 제스정정 제스정정인서 네 초치 종아에서 자자 그러시.
After 7 months, suddenly they were again transferred to another place called Heishui, the Heishui prison, and then at that place there was no Chinese. It was only there was no Tibetan. It was only Chinese people.
디노가 초치 종아만이 자자디 초치 종이 저거 영식적인 거니 저거 그렇게 되셨다.
Again, they were separated.
Tani ngani so kare dinner there. Tani so jokcha tani.
They didn't have breakfast.
Taga tina gin so zama chan so zako chicken oil so za ta ji jozi lo di nyuna choko. Nyuna yo shawalina kormo so ta jami kormo chicken lo da chikda ta mor ngan lo di mi na no kormo jo dan jay so khepson za lo so.
So then each week they have one chance to buy breakfast, but then, well, like normally that food is 1 yuan from outside. It is 10 or like 10 times or 7 times higher in the prison.
Tani so chuntak chakar zinda thochir zongar chari. Yinna yo da tik zongge chuntak machita.
So they were waiting for their sentence in the Haitian prison, but then for 6 months they were waiting for the result, but there was no result.
Tani chirtange so upare yo da kosunyoji hale muso so kwatin chibu. Kosunyoji yo ji ron datsne choko yo ji Kogni kosuyo US na macha yo takan dora kosuyo ji yo ji chapshu mai bi yo ji menna dora di oso kogni tsaba la jingo staba ta chis gondro go za den dara zga lag mat kara hali ya jam gde o che staba ta shigo yin che yo ya na staba ta chisi ha ko ta chongkong ma sona dara chi staba ta chis gondro go che yo no da staba ti 치즈고는 다 치즈고는 영어지고는라 되게 재미 하거든.
There were few Tibetan prisoners in that prison, and then they secretly gave her tsamba. So for 7 months she didn't have any tsamba, and then the first time she tasted tsamba, she really felt how delicious and nutritious this Tibetan food is.
Tani chirkata chake kano kono ina chirtanga insa ki chochir zoni insa ko upachi chirtanga kocha stakpari insa ko shirgana ngati yoriz rashkurna. Ngani tona da chikchang rashkurna mabda sosu kana abdisha garize wako. Akurina koso rashkurna insa ko ngari yoriz chungkang na rashkurna wako. Dino ngari yoriz. Tashi ngani tona da sosu kana abdisha garize.
So normally the Tibetan prisoners at that place are allowed to have their free time at this veranda outside, but then once they came, she and her sister came, no one was allowed to go out.
Tani za ta dru yamiz ko chuni otmar tinoni insu ko macha insu ko yang nyama insu ko aku sunem zejizo insu ko yang ko mera machino ayot nyawani insu ko zongkang no insu ko lochige insu ko dijoga macha kartu ko bi drawazere.
And then another monk from Kitigoma called Akasona, he was also taken, sent to this prison. There was another person called Jamna Lotu. He was also the monk. Jamna Lotu came to prison because of writing articles. The monk called Sonam was arrested because he protested.
지금이 값서 자모니 용데 머니가 있고 뒤다 그렇게 조바 할지 거잖아.
And then after 6 months they finally got to have their and then after 6 months they were finally taken to the court, and then a Chinese women came and asked them again, do you guys regret it?
저 님이 총총스레 조파 찍어지더라. 저 총통 녀녀시작 그래서. 저 유황을 그래서.
You're very young, so if you say you have regrets, they will like lighten up your sentence years.
아니 뭐지 전또 루고 권위에서 그때 전쪽 발이지 루고에 그래서 전쪽 발 보고 매일라.
And there will be a lawyer to help you. And then she said, I don't need a lawyer.
뉴스나던 축주민나던 다 던나가 청제와던 도모라 이디다 지르고시 지고고 매일라.
And then they asked her if she wanted to change her crime into another form of name, as like murder or something else. She said no. I don't need that. You are very young. If you change your testimonies, and there's a chance that you will get very light prison years. I don't want to change it. That's what I said. And then the second day they started their court. So on the very same day there was 3 court cases. One is her and her sister Rnam, and then another in the evening was that monk Sonam. There were a lot of police around them.
We
didn't know what's gonna happen, but we said we have no regrets. Only thing we take refuge to is Lalama, Lakuncho.
And
then we did some prayers. We offered some prayers to Kuncho.
And then
while they were taking us to court, we were singing on the way. Again, they were separated and asked questions. Do you have regrets? That's what they asked. I don't have any regrets. That's what she said. And then again, they also asked the sister if she has any regrets. They both answered no. And then the court case started, and then they showed her a lot of pictures and videos of what they did, and then they said, "Did you do this?" Yes, I did that. Do you have any regrets? No regrets. So while you are supposed to stand still and pay respect to the judge, but then that time she didn't do that. She had her hands in her pockets, and then she
disrespected the judge.
Tani yang mo jazz yung danga yang stil na kapok na long de trong cha long.
A Chinese female came and asked her to stand still.
Ngai yang stil pok na ya din jang da ma.
She did again. She put her hands in the pocket and then seated like this.
Tani loh sang ji chen ta ja thola ga chong za demo that kind of saying is loh sang ja.
And then the judge said 3 years.
Tani jamos da chen ta cha lo chong mai ce ko mu njero ta kusu mu ma lo ta. Ndri yem chen ta ta.
The Chinese people around them, they were surprised and they were like looking around.
Chatti yin ce ko ta de nyan jin ra yo de fa yin tani ta ngni ge da ko ta ngni ge shon no to ma chik chang yo ma ma su sa chik chang yo ga chi me ko.
So there was no family members allowed at that court.
Tani ta de ti jimo yin ce ko chetan ge jimo ce ko chung sa de nyan ji yong jin ko no ngan ce ngo chum ta cha de ngota jerkin do mo ti ko yo ra ngane won na yo ti
There was a Tibetan girl from
do na yo ti tu chu jing nga ye gung ta chi ko no di sa za ni era no lig jing da ni ko ni ma ling so ko no zo zo ko ne no mo cha na no chan de za ni na ta jo chi ni na ti jerke ke ti pudong kwa da ji zo ka ta chi ko yo ra da nga ngem ke chi na da nga jerke ko ga mi sa ni ka chi go.
And there was a girl, a officer from Tongwon, and she was Tibetan. And then, but she asked to speak with Rnam Kyi in Chinese. But Rnam Kyi said that her whole life, daytime, nighttime, she was a nomad and she was with yaks and sheep. So she doesn't know any Chinese. So she needs a translator.
Tani nyanji teri kutusung ka jira yo ko dara tani
There was a translator.
ta teri jar mo ji ka par shar no ton jo par mas ji ko dinu to ta jar mo ji ko ji jono ne jono jo nyora nir ko ta he ke ju ko ta chamber mo ju ta ke ju da ra ko dinu ta jar ko capture ro li ji jo ta teri ti ta mai ji so so nyo ti ji ti cha ko ta we cha ka ji lo sang cha do ta khi no lo teri ji mo ji ne dara ta mo cha ma ha ma to ko da ji lo sang sang cha ta wo.
And then there was a paper that wrote everything she has done. There was a paper writing everything she has done and then that she has no regrets and then asked her to put her fingerprint on it.